This is 2005 Toyota Camry. I'll show you how to change the crankshaft position sensor. So take off the battery, that's the first thing. And then second, pull this out. This is the sensor. And it looks like this over here. We are gonna replace it. The other end, this is this end over here. The other end goes down here, right there, and over here, this one. So this is 10 millimeters. We are going to unscrew that. Let me go around to pull it out. You might need a flat head. Yep, it's coming out. There you go. This is our crankshaft. There. Okay, now we gotta be careful over here to pull this out. Push this down. It's gonna be easier to push it down to take it off because the other end is bigger. So just wiggle it around, get it over the belt. Yep. Here we have the old one, so definitely need a new one. This goes here, so that could be stable. Push it, perfect. Be careful, there's a place to put this one in, the cable in. There's like a clip there, just push it. Yep, there you go. She's in the house.